most beautiful manner. He says, गम का इलाज इसके सिवा और कुछ नहीं. He says, the remedy to my pain is only one thing. गम का इलाज इसके सिवा और कुछ नहीं. खाके शिफा है मेरी दवा और कुछ नहीं. My cure, the medicine for me is Khake Shifa. When we talk about Khake Shifa, it is metaphoric. Khake Shifa is Karbala itself, the aura of Karbala itself, the city of Karbala itself, what transpired in Karbala. Khake Shifa hai meri dawa aur kuch nahi. And then he says, Male Khadija, Zarb Ali, Sajdae Hussain. He mentions these three things. He says, Male Khadija, the wealth of Khadija. Zarb Ali, the stroke of Ali. Sajdae Hussain, the prostration of Hussain. Islam mein bas iske siwa aur kuch nahi. He says, Male Khadija, Zarb Ali, just for the sake of translation, the wealth of Khadija, the stroke of Ali, Sajdae Hussain, the prostration of Hussain. Islam is founded on these things. Islam mein bas iske siwa aur kuch nahi. Then he says something so beautiful in the most simplest manner. He says, Usne kaha कि दीन की तारीख पूरी लिख. Someone told me, can you please write the whole history of your religion? उसने कहा कि दीन की तारीख पूरी लिख. मैंने फकत हुसैन लिखा और कुछ नहीं.